Unhiding a chat in character AI is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to show you how you guys can unhide a chat in your character AI. So for that we will go to the character AI's application, and in character AI's application you will see all the chats. Now suppose I want to hide this chat. I'm just going to long press any of the chat I want to hide, and I have to tap on this hide character. Now this chat or this character is hidden. Now how can I get it back? So to get back, you just have to tap on your profile, and in your profile you guys will be able to see all of the chats. Now in my case I've hidden it, so I'm just going to public it again. I'm just going to tap on this option, and I'm going to send him a message again. After sending him a message, it will be public or back to the place where I want it before. So I'm just going to go back again, and there you guys can see it just popped up. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.